soon as we walked indoors, it just felt so comfortable. The breeze was flowing. There was just a general coolness about it. It was really nice.
What we've done is we've used a lot of insulation. We've got a lot of openings that capture all the breezes for the site, and a combination of overhangs, making sure we've got the right materials, making sure in the summer that we're keeping the sun away from the inside of the home and providing avenue for the breeze to come through. Keeps it nice and cool.
And Matt, you're completely off-grid here, aren't you?
We're completely driven by solar power. We're running a solar system which charges into a 48 DC battery bank to store all the energy. And then we also have a sewage reticulation system which takes all our sewage and treats it, and then we can pump it back into the ground. And the last thing we do is we collect water. So we have 45,000 litres of water tanks here.
Yeah, it's kind of off-grid, but it's not how you imagine it. It's pretty stylish here, like it's a mid-century modern off-grid house.
Yeah.
You're like, wow, that's pretty cool.
We can take a lot of ideas from Matt's house. For example, the ceiling that we want to pitch over their living area.
The roofing system is SolarSpan, put out by Bondor, and it's a sandwich panel. So what that means is it has a layer of colour-bond steel on the top and a layer of colour-bond steel on the bottom, and then insulation in the middle of it, which is bound by a fire retardant core.
The big thing that hit me walking into Max and Sean's house initially was the stale air, and we're going to address that by, having louvers and having breezeways included in the design, and hopefully that'll stimulate that airflow through the house.
You guys are on a slab, so fingers crossed, all going to plan, we can pull up the vinyl flooring you've got there and see what the condition of the concrete's like, and hopefully polish it back or do something with it, because it's a really great thermal mass opportunity.
Michael and Carleen suggested we did concrete floors, but we just put so much effort into doing those floors, so I don't know about that one.
I love concrete floors though, but yeah, we did just put the floors down.
One thing I really like about this home is how the living areas and everything are separate to the bedroom. Is this a shipping container?
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
So, could we incorporate that into my outdoor office?
Throwing a curveball.
I don't know, I've always liked the industrial kind of look.
Yeah, okay.
Sean suggested that maybe we include a shipping container in the design, which I'm not opposed to. It's sort of quirky, it's sort of cool. It gives it a bit of character, that home, something that you probably wouldn't get if you were to do a new build. It was great for Max and Sean to see this particular area because we're going to try and emulate this in their current home. So it's roughly going to be the same size, their living, kitchen and dining area. We're going to pitch the roof very similar to this using the same products. So for them to be able to walk in here and just get a feel for the space, I think was important to trying to get them to go Team Renovate.
This house, like your house, is also a north-facing house. It's a total luxury that they just have this full bank of doors and windows. So if we can achieve that in your house by opening up that wall with sliding doors or bifolds and create a porch with a roof, you'll get the same effect, which will be awesome.
So do we get this view as well?
Maybe not quite this view, but we do have plans to incorporate a really nice courtyard with the native plants or whatever you like, and that'll just make a world of difference.
Well, thanks so much for showing us around. This
You're welcome.
has been a great
Renovate.
Okay, let's get renovating.